Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a timely topic: how to invest in the iShares TIPS ETF. If you're worried about inflation eroding your hard-earned money, this could be a game changer for your portfolio. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, what exactly is the iShares TIPS ETF? TIPS stands for Treasury Inflation Protected Securities, which are bonds issued by the US government that adjust their value based on inflation rates. The iShares TIPS ETF, with the ticker symbol TIP, is a fund managed by BlackRock that bundles these securities into an easy-to-buy package. It's designed for investors who want protection against rising prices while maintaining a relatively safe investment. Why should you consider it? In today's economic climate, inflation can sneak up and diminish your returns on traditional investments. TIPS offer a hedge because their principal increases with inflation, potentially providing steady income and diversification. Plus, as a government-backed asset, it's generally low risk compared to stocks. But remember, no investment is foolproof. There are still risks like interest rate fluctuations that could affect its value. Now, let's get to the how. Step 1. Educate yourself. Read up on TIPS and ETFs through reliable sources to understand the basics. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. Platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab make this simple and often have low or no fees for ETF trades. Step 3. Fund your account by linking it to your bank and transferring money. Step 4. Search for the ticker TIP on your brokerage's platform. Step 5. Decide on your investment amount based on your budget and goals, then place your buy order. Finally, Step 6. Monitor your investment regularly and consider rebalancing your portfolio as needed. Investing in iShares TIPS ETF isn't just about beating inflation, it's about building a smarter, more resilient portfolio. If you're new to this, I recommend consulting a financial advisor to tailor it to your situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.